first grade friends. Today we are going to talk about a new strategy to help us make math easier, because that's what strategies do. They make math easier. So right now on the screen I need you to find all these materials, and you're going to pause the video so that you can find all of them to be ready. You need a dry erase board, you need your little TENS frame work mat, you need a dry erase marker, and your cubes. Okay, so now that you have all your materials, again we are using the strategy of make a 10. So first let's prove that our work mat has 10, and use one of your colors. Mine happen to be purple and green because those are my favorite colors. But would you use your cubes and fill in every box? And as we fill it in, we're going to be counting how many boxes are there. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to let you continue, and let's see if we get the same answer. Are all of your boxes full now? So we got to 5 here. What was your answer when you got here? Did you say 10? That is correct. This work mat is super nice because it always tells us if the whole thing is full, it's gotta be a 10. Let's say that again. When it's all full, it's a 10. One more time. When it's all full, it's a 10. So we've been talking about some number sentences. So if I were to look at my TENS mat here, and I ask myself, how many are green? You're right, there are 10 of them. How many of them are purple? Oh, well, I didn't put any purple on there, so that would mean 0. But if it's all full, then it's a 10. I don't even have to think. I already know that the answer is 10. Okay, so I'm going to erase, and I'm going to clear my board, and let's use one of your colors, and would you put 4 of one of your colors on? 1 in each box. Would you use your other color to finish filling in the TENS box to make a 10? So I'm going to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now my box is full, or my frame is full, so I know it's a 10. What is my math equation or number sentence that matches? How many greens do we have? Let's write it. 4. How many purples do we have? 6. And I already know my answer. What is 4 plus 6, everyone? You're right, it's 10. Because when it's full, it's a 10. Okay, let's do another one. So clear your board. This time, let's start with putting 3 on your work mat. 1, 2, 3. So I know my first number is 3. How many more do I have to fill in to get a 10? Let's use our other color and try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If it's full, I know my answer is 10. Okay, let's do this last one. Would you copy my mat just like yours? I know you might not have the same colors, but would you put the same numbers of each of your colors on your mat and then write an equation below? Let's see if we're the same. When you're ready, turn it back on and we'll see if we got the same answer. Did you get the same as I did? Yay! Give yourself a pat on the back. That's all there is to making a 10. Okay, so great job with that. Now I need you to find some other materials. So you can set these aside, and would you go and find your math notebook? And you will also need your pencil, colored pencils, or markers. And also, in your packet of materials, you will find a paper tens frame. Some teachers may have given you 2. If you have 2, you can grab both of them. So when you have all of those things, then come back. Okay, now that we have all of our things, I'm going to open up my journal. Oh, there's one of the strategies I did the other day with draw a picture, and I'm going to turn one more page. I like to flip it back so that I have one page in front of me. If your teacher only gave you 1, then you're going to get your paper to look like my paper. If she gave you 2, then I have it set up for the 2. Oops, I got to pull it down a little bit. Would you copy and glue your tens frames in with some spaces at the bottom? When you're ready, start the video again. Okay, now that you have them all in there, and that's what my bottom one looks like, you get to decide how many are you going to color in one color, and how many are you going to color in the other color. You get to choose the colors you want. I'm going to use blue and green. So I'm going to draw a circle of how many I want to be blue. You decide how many you want to be blue. And then I have to color them in. I'm going to do the same thing with my green. I have to fill in the rest of it with green. So you choose your 2 and color them all in, and then turn the video back on. Did you get all yours colored in nice and neat? Okay, once you have finished, then you need to decide what are your 2 numbers that equal 10. In my case, it would be a 4 are blue and 6 are green. So now mine says 4 plus 6 equals 10. It's all full. If you have another one, you're going to do one more in your journal. Then you can put your journal away, and your last activity will be to find in your packet of materials, you have a practice page that has tens frames with dark and gray colors for you to figure out what is the number sentence. But we already know all of our answers are 10 because it's full. On the other side, they're having you do the same thing at the bottom that you did in your journals. So to end today, I have one joke that I found to end our lesson. What kind of teachers wear sunglasses? The ones with bright students. Have a good day. See you next time.